Kamusta? Mabuhay? Magandang umaga, and welcome back to MG Ako. Ako si Ovela, and today's video is not a reaction video. I am bringing back the feedback. It was basically two videos that I made a long time ago with my co-host M Angel, and it was like a podcast type of video, but I'm changing it to a news video, you know, MG News this time around. Okay, so I'm gonna give you from time to time the news, the weekly news, monthly news, whatever, and it's called the feedback. Yes. So, but before we start, please consider following me on Instagram at Music Game News. News number one, and this one is super awesome. Morissette officially opened her YouTube channel titled Morissette, just Morissette, and so far she has one video, basically an introduction video, okay, where she's walking on the beach and talking and explaining a few things. Basically, let's welcome her on YouTube and subscribe to her channel. And this is good news because, you know, potentially she will be, uploading. Well, I don't know if she's going to be uploading or her management, but basically there will be uploads of her on that channel. Hopefully her performances that, ABS-CBN doesn't own, so that we can listen to them and react to them. You know, that would be awesome. And obviously, I subscribed to her channel. Yes, indeed. News number two. You guys all know Jadine is no more. James Reid and Nadine Lustre, which means chandelier in French, have broken up. A lot of you keep telling me, no, this is a rumor, check IG, blah, blah, blah. But if this were a rumor, then Tito Boy would not have officially made the announcement on his show. So I'm pretty sure they broke up. It's unfortunate, but it is what it is. And a lot of people also are telling me that their relationship was never a real relationship, you know, and it was just for the fame and the views, and so that, you know, their careers would take off. I don't think so. I don't think they would do that, you know, and even if it were true, maybe at the beginning, but you know, 4 years together, you develop feelings, you know, so yeah. But it is what it is, it happens. We wish them the best of luck in their future endeavors. Third news, it's the coronavirus. All right, guys, so this is a brand new virus that is happening in China. They are saying that it started with animals, you know, but now apparently this virus can be transmitted from a person to another person. So be careful, you know, basically don't go to China. Apparently the virus is already starting to spread all over the world, so be careful. And that is one of the reasons why I haven't bought my tickets to the Philippines yet. The first reason that I delayed it by a month, because I was supposed to come in March, but I am delaying it to April because my brother just passed his exam test for immigration and he got a 20 out of 20. Very proud of him. And now he is waiting for the ceremony so that he can officially become Canadian, and then he has to apply for his passport, you know, and then we can come as two Canadians, because otherwise he would have to apply for a visa, and that's annoying. So we want to come in April, but then this coronavirus happened and my brother called me and he was like, you're sure you want to go? Because if we go to the Philippines, we're gonna have to pass by China, you know, and we really don't want to get sick. Even though they mentioned that this coronavirus only happens, is lethal apparently so far with people who have an underlying, sickness, illness, like it happens for old people, and thankfully it's not really affecting kids. Apparently there's one case of a 13-year-old kid that has been affected by the virus, but yeah. Hopefully this is not a huge deal and that they will soon find a cure for it. But I told my brother that nothing is stopping me from going to the Philippines, you know, like I am still aiming for April. We cannot come in May because it will be Ramadan and it won't be any fun for us to go to the Philippines during Ramadan where we're exhausted and can't eat. So it will either be April if, you know, everything goes well, meaning that he will get his visa and the coronavirus is not that, you know, threatening, or it will be after Ramadan, which is June. There you go. Fourth news, we will talk about Marcelito Pomoy. So apparently he is not the one to choose the song to sing during the semi-finals. What he has to do is select 5 songs, give them to AGT, you know, management, and they will choose one song for him to sing. But I don't know why. I honestly feel like they will choose Time to Say Goodbye for him. But we will see. If you know when the semifinals, when the video of Marcelito Pomoy will hit the internet, let me know in the comment section below or on Instagram, all right? So that I can watch it, react to it, you know what I mean? And bring it to you guys. That would be awesome. And we are still staying in the topic of Marcelito Pomoy because apparently that dude rejected AGT before. And I'm gonna read an article that explains it better than I do. So, why did Marcelito Pomoy turn down AGT the first time? So, Marcelito, as you know, appeared on The Ellen Show in 2018, where he performed 2 songs and spoke about his experience. After this appearance, he apparently received an offer to compete on America's Got Talent. However, it was just the standard edition of the show, not the Champions version. So he said, so I thought, since I'm already a champion here in the Philippines, if I lose in somewhat the ordinary, it's like my winnings just gone. And I agree, dude. Why would they invite him for just the regular AGT when he's already a champion of AGT Philippines? It doesn't make any sense, so I am completely with him on this one. He said he has had no second thoughts about competing on Champions, however. Explains that his wife received an invitation for him to appear on the show this season. Yeah, well, okay, good. Marcelito thought he would get the golden buzzer. Marcelito didn't receive the golden buzzer from Judge Howie Mandel, who received encouragement from the other judges and audience. You are so worthy of the golden buzzer, and I think you're one of the most incredible singers, Howie told him. But this is very early in the night and I can only choose one. I really thought he'd hit the golden buzzer, Marcelito told Boy Abunda. Many of his fans thought so too, and they were disappointed he didn't receive it. But we weren't scared, right? Like, we knew he was gonna pass. The situation was made even worse when Simon Cowell stole Howie's golden buzzer to send Boogie Storm into the finals. They can do that? What? The judges can steal each other's golden buzzers? That sucks. Oh, yeah, that's unfortunate. Many disagreed with this choice, and Howie himself said he would have rather hit the golden buzzer for an act like Ryan Niemiller or Mark Spellman, both of whom ended up moving on with Marcelito. Yeah, but he didn't say he would have rather hit the golden buzzer for Marcelito. Still, Marcelito has a good chance at the win, and Boy Abunda told him he made the Philippines proud. That's an understatement, come on. We can't wait to watch his next performance. Tell me about it. And like I said, hit me up on IG to tell me when that is happening, okay? So there you go. I mean, he was so right to turn down AGT, the regular AGT. The dude is a champion. He won it fair and square, 2011, I think, years ago. So of course, now he is supposed to be on AGT Champions. The dude is a champion. You know, no more, no less. The dude is a champion. There you go. And fifth news, actually this news is really, really recent. As I was editing this video, I just learned that the legendary Kobe Bryant, you know, the amazing Lakers player, passed away in a helicopter crash. So rest in peace to Kobe Bryant. And the worst part is that I'm also hearing that his daughter, one of his daughters, was with him in the helicopter. This is heartbreaking. This is awful. And as an NBA fan, this is just terrible, terrible news. Kobe Bryant was just one of the best players, if not the best, and one of the players that played the game with such passion. You know, most people say that maybe LeBron James is even better than Kobe. Maybe, but he does not play the game with the passion that Kobe Bryant played it. You know, I think Michael Jordan will always be number one because he had it all and his passion was just overflowing. But Kobe was very second close. So yeah, I'm sad to report that Kobe Bryant has passed at the age of 41 years old, and he was one of the rare players to have played his entire career in one team, which is the Los Angeles Lakers, where LeBron James is currently playing. So there you go, rest in peace, Kobe Bryant. So this is the feedback, you know, the MG news. Yeah, baby. And you know, if I can manage to put together, you know, news like that during the week, I will, you know, bring it to you in a video format. Let me know in the comment section below if you've enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Take care of yourselves, and I will see you very soon. Peace. Thank you for watching. Subscribe here and please like the video to show your support and appreciation for my work, and turn on the notification bell to be poked for future content. Yeah.